Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Infiniti Q50 maintenance light. First, ensure your vehicle is off, then press the ignition button once or twice to turn on the accessories without starting the engine. Locate the steering wheel controls, specifically the arrow buttons and the OK or Enter button, which you'll use to navigate the display. Once the display is active, use the left or right arrow buttons on your steering wheel to scroll through the main menu options until you find Settings. Press the OK or Enter button to select it. Within the Settings menu, navigate down to Locate and select the Maintenance option. Inside the Maintenance menu, you will see various service items. Use the up or down arrows to highlight Engine Oil or Oil Filter. Once highlighted, press and hold the OK or Enter button for a few seconds. The system will then prompt you to confirm the reset. Select Yes to clear the reminder. You can repeat this same process for other maintenance items listed, such as tire rotation or other service reminders, if they are due. After you have reset all the necessary lights, simply turn off your Infiniti Q50's ignition. This action will save your changes, and the maintenance light should now be off.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.